Welcome to AyaansEasyMath. So the question is given x square plus xy plus 2y square is equal to 74. 2x square plus 2xy plus y square is 73. Find the possible values of x and y. So here those who are new to this channel, like this only Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded so that you can gain the knowledge. The problems are created and they are uploaded. Here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you do this problem? This is somewhat different model. Here we are having different method to complete this problem. So those who are new, subscribe and to get the latest updates. We will go to the solution. So here the two different problem values equations are given. So here what you have to do, the logic is put y is equal to mx. Put y is equal to mx. This is the logic we are having in this problem. So what will get here, x square plus x into mx plus 2 into m square x square is equal to 74. So here you can take common. If you take the second equation also, what will get, 2x square plus 2x into mx plus m square x square is equal to 73. Now here if you take x square common, in all the terms you are having x square common, 1 plus m plus 2m square is equal to 74. Here also you can take x square common, 2 plus 2m plus m square is equal to 73. So let it be 3 and this equation is 4. So if we divide 3 by 4, 3 by 4, what will get if you divide 3 by 4? So here x square get cancel. 1 by m plus 2m square by 2 plus 2m plus m square is equal to 74 by 73. So this is one typical problem. This model is one different model for the students. So here what will get, cross multiply 73 plus 73m plus 146m square is equal to 148 plus 148m plus 74m square. So here if you solve this, what will get here, 72m square, 146 minus 74, minus 75m, 148m minus 73m. Okay, minus 75, 148 to 73. Send all the terms to that side. Is equal to 0. Now here you can take common 24m square, 3 table common, 25m minus 25 equal to 0. Now here you have to find the factors. It is a quadratic in here the factors will get 40 and 50 now. Total will get 600. 600 you will make it as 40, 50 now. Total you will get 25 minus 40 plus 15. So here if you write 24m square minus 40m plus 15m minus 25 equal to 0. So if you take the factors, 8m is common, 8m into 3m minus 5 plus 5 into 3m minus 5 equal to 0. So 3m minus 5 equal to 0 or 8m plus 5 equal to 0. So 3m is equal to 5 or 8m is equal to minus 5. M is equal to 5 by 3 or minus 5 by 8. These are the values of M. So now we are going to substitute this value in 3. 3 or 4 you can keep. Substitute the value in 3. So if you substitute the value in 3, what will get here? Substitute the value in 3. Substitute the value in 3. So here case 2. Case 1, put m is equal to minus 5 by 8 in 3. So what is the third equation here? X square bracket 1 minus 5 by 8 m plus m square 2m square 50 by 64 is equal to 74. So if you take LCM here, what will get LCM means here x square bracket 64 minus 40 plus 50 by 64 is equal to 74. So if you solve this, what will get here? X square is equal to 74 into 64. This will go that side by 74. Cancel. You will get 64. That implies x is equal to square root of 64. That is nothing but plus or minus 8. So if you substitute this in y equal to mx, so y equal to mx means here y is equal to minus 5 by 8 plus or minus 8. Then y value will be plus or minus 5. So these are the values of x and y in case 1. So if you take case 2, put m is equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 in 3. M is equal to 5 by 3 in 3. So here x square 1 plus 5 by 3 plus 50 by 9 is equal to 74. So here what will get now? X square into LCM, if you take 9 plus 15 plus 50 by 9 is equal to 74. So x square is equal to 74 into 9 by 74. So you'll get 9. X is equal to square root of 9. That is nothing but plus or minus 3. Now substitute this in y equal to mx. Y is equal to 5 by 3 plus or minus 3. That implies y is equal to plus or minus 5. So these are the possible values of x and y. I hope you like the video on this model. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again.